Hello and welcome back. My name is Jeremy, and today we're going to be talking about identifiers, Java, reserved keywords, and variable naming. Okay, so what's an identifier? Well, if you look at this program here that we wrote in last episode or the last tutorial, an identifier are defined names that we give. So, for example, like this class name right here, we gave it variables. That would be an identifier. Same thing with this class name of, what did we give it? Print v print line. So that's a identifier. Another identifier is the names we give to variables. Another example would be method names. But we don't have any methods that we made quite yet, except for this main method. So those are identifiers. Identifiers must conform to certain rules. So an identifier can only contain letters. Here, let me get just a blank sheet so I can type some of these out because it might get a little confusing. So we're just going to make a blank just file. It doesn't matter. File name, that's fine. So they can only be letters, lowercase a through z, or uppercase a through z. Okay, they can be digits ranging from 0 through 9. You can have an underscore, which we'll cover that probably a little way down the line. So you can have an underscore, or you can even have the dollar sign. Okay, so those can be used. Now there's other rules with it, like the first character cannot be a digit. So like if you were to make a variable name, you can't have 0 hello. That's not legal. Okay. Also, like I said, Java is case sensitive. So this and this are not the same. Even though they look the same, but they're not the same. Okay. Oh, and also identifiers can't include spaces. So you can't say like hello Bob. Like that's not a legal way to make an identifier. Okay. And then for Java keywords, I'm not going to read them all, but I did make just a little PowerPoint little thing here that you can look at. These are all the keywords that are reserved for Java to have. Like the do's for looping, for looping, there should be a while for looping. Ints are for variables. If right here is for the if statements, which is conditional. Then you got your switch, statics. I mean, we'll probably use a majority of these in a lot of different tutorials. Some I don't think I think I've used almost all of these before. So you don't have to write all these down. You can actually just look up Java keywords. I actually got this from an old book that I had. I just typed them all out, so it was easy for you guys to see. Just to give you an idea of why you can't use, not why, but the kind of what Eclipse will show you the error that you might get. So let's shrink this back down. Let's go back to variables. So if I said int, I change this to 4, and I call 4 here. Well, if you notice, there's already a little red X there. So syntax error on token 4, invalid variable declaration ID. So basically, hey, you can't use this, man. But I'm gonna say I'm gonna try anyway. So I'm gonna hit run. All that. Let's see what happens. Bam, got an error. Let's pull this up just. Where's it at? Should be right there. We go. So we get this error. Just basically saying the same thing. Hey, you can't be using that. That's just an invalid variable. So it goes with all those keywords that I listed. And you'll get the hang of it after a while. Let's put this back the way it was. Next we just Control Z, be faster. There's one other one as well. Let's see. Oops, that's not it. Oh, variable names. Okay, variable names should be pretty descriptive. In nature, I think majority of all humans are just lazy. it's easy to make a variable called x and another variable called y and another variable called g. Well, that's all in dandy to do it this way, but I'll guarantee you, 3 months down the road, when you come back and you look at this program, like, what do these do and what are they for? So it's easier to say, this could be like, uh, say, phone cost. That's how much it costs to buy a phone. This could be tax rate. Oops, I like camel casing. Tax rate. This could be subtotal. See what I mean? See how things kind of make a little more sense when you look at these variable names. You're like, oh, okay, this is where the tax rate is. This is the subtotal. I remember reading a few different Java books and tutorials online, and they say Java programs should be self-documenting. And I think that's pretty true. Let's see, and I believe, yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, concerns, like I said, I just wanted to kind of cover some stuff, not really program anything, just kind of wrap your heads around some more ideas. Like I said, the baby steps is what it is, really. So, on that note, I will bid you guys a good day, and make sure you hit that subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I should have my Twitter and Twitch information in the description here soon as well. So, we'll see you guys later. Bye.